Here's how to create the beautiful wet hair look
while avoiding the two most common mistakes.
First mistake, using a gel or other products that contain alcohol. Alcohol actually dries out the hair, and in order to achieve a wet look, you have to use an oil-based product. In order to prep the hair for the wet look, you have to think about styling the hair before actually creating a wet look. So I'm gonna treat this wet look style as a dry style, and only at the end I'm gonna make it look wet. But I have to prep the hair, so I'm gonna go in with Moroccan oil volumizing mousse. And I'm gonna apply a generous amount throughout the hair.
So basically what you're saying is that when people think wet look, they go straight to wetting the hair.
Yes.
But you're saying style it like a dry style and
Yes.
wet it at the end.
Only wet it at the end to keep the integrity and the texture of the hair. So if I just spray stuff, it's just gonna look like this and it's gonna dry out. So I'm applying a generous amount of mousse because I need some sort of hold in the hair, and then I'm gonna rough dry it. When people think about creating a wet look, they think you work with wet hair and you keep it wet and that's how it's gonna be. But that's not the key how to create the perfect wet look. You have to treat it as a look and you have to style it dry. Only then it's gonna look good when it's wet.
I am people. I thought you wet the hair and you keep it wet.
Yeah.
So I'm about to learn a lot today.
We're doing the whole styling first.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm taking notes.
Once you apply all the product, make sure to brush the hair out for the even distribution. And now we're gonna go in and dry the hair, just rough dry it with the GHD blow dryer. Second mistake, applying the products without curling the hair first. I'm gonna separate the hair into 3 sections, left side, right side, and the back. And I'm gonna clip away the hair in the back right now. We're gonna work on the left side. I'm gonna use the GHD 1-inch curling iron, and I'm gonna start curling the hair. I'm gonna do a regular twist curl, alternating directions. Okay, we're finished curling the hair, and when the curl is tight like this, that's when you apply the product. Okay, in order to apply the product, I like to cover her with the towel first so it doesn't get messy. That's the thing. And we're gonna use the Chris McMillan Glossy Smooth Hair Oil. The trick is to just use oil and nothing else, and that's how the hair will stay wet throughout the whole night. And now we're gonna have her scooch back and look up, and that's the safest way to apply the product. and you want to drench the hair with the oil like this. And you can already see this beautiful wet look result. Look how amazing this looks.
Oh my god, it's so cool. And it smells incredible. I wish you guys could smell this hair oil.
And you have the deep hydration while still rocking the sexy hair. So it's essentially 2 products and super easy steps how to get this wet look that's gonna last you until you wash it.
I can't believe it. It's actually so simple, so chic. I love a wet look. I'm like low-key a mermaid in disguise. So I feel like it elevates any look. Like if you're wearing a simple outfit, you wet your hair, instantly editorial, instantly chic. You've totally just like upgraded the entire vibe.
Yes. So
oh my
good.
god, it's literally so cool.
That's the wet hair.
I love how it like maintained the texture. Like I would think that if I put oil in my hair, it would be weighed down, it would instantly go straight. But it is actually giving like the most perfect curl.